Okay, I loaded some strawberries in the Rapid Prep Mandoline, and now these were what was considered the small strawberries, which to me a quart of strawberries is a quart of strawberries, so I really didn't care. But I'm going to see how they do in the Rapid Prep Mandoline, because I don't really want to do these. I usually use the egg slicer, but I don't want to spend all day doing that. Okay, I set the mandolin to just the slice number, and I thought I'm going to try it on number 6 because I like a thicker strawberry. I'm hoping I didn't just stick my head in the camera, but I probably did. So anyway, I wanted to kind of put you where you could see the strawberries going in. You saw how many was in the chute. So let me show you how quickly it goes. Or let me show you my mashed strawberries that will become jam. Here we go. Okay, not a good idea. I julienne them. So, but I think I'm going to go ahead and finish this pack like that, just for jellos and things like that. And, okay, I got the last of this quart going in here. You can see how much I have so far. And I just wanted to show you again. I can cut these. I didn't really want to use the pestle, but it helps with it. But I'm going to squat. And what I decided, probably shouldn't even be talking. You probably can't even hear me. So what I decided to do, if you see, I'll show you close up how it julienne the strawberries. And one of my favorite things, and my granddaughter's favorite things to do, is to make the secret center pan. So guess what will the strawberries, because those little wells that are in the secret center, you know, sliced strawberries could overlap, make that whatever. These are going to scoop in beautifully when, you know, they'll have a little sugar added to them. Okay, I have my julienne strawberries that I'm going to do my secret center cake with my granddaughter's here. And I set this, I had it actually set on julienne. This is the French fry cutter over here, and then you move the dials around to your thickness. This is the julienne, and then this is just a regular slice, and I have it set on 6. So I did a few slices to make sure. So my slices come out about that thick, which I'm happy with that. So I want to do real quick. I have the hopper filled. I'm not going to move the camera because there's a video up there when I made a strawberry dessert that my camera fell into the whipped cream. So we're not doing that again, and I definitely don't want it in strawberries. So here goes. Now remember, this is the Quick Prep Mandoline. I'll put the hopper in. There you go. And that was about half a quart of strawberries that I put in there. So I'm going to continue slicing my strawberries. I have 2 quarts left, and I know I need to keep one so hubby can enjoy some strawberries too. So that's what I'm up to today. And if, you know, if you're putting food up for winter to have nice fresh strawberries instead of the strawberries on steroids, this is the time to do it. They don't last long in June, so get out there, hunt down the Amish, the fruit stands, whatever you can find. Get your strawberries. Bye. Making progress. 3 quarts of whole strawberries, bagged and then put in here. 2 quarts of sliced strawberries and 1 quart julienne. My fingers. So I have a quart for my husband. I have 1 quart left, but I'm going to go check the recipe for the cooking blender to see what I need to go ahead and, excuse me, do some jam. And we don't have any in the cupboard, so it's probably a good idea to do that. All right, hope you enjoyed my video.